Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a restore point and a full backup of your drive. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Sign in with an administrator account to make system changes. Open system configuration by typing msconfig in the Start menu search box. Review the boot tab to see your current Windows 10 boot entries. Note the default timeout of 30 seconds for the boot menu selection. Close other apps to avoid interrupted changes and save any open work before proceeding. Open msconfig and switch to the boot tab to edit entries safely. Select the Windows installation you want to modify before changing any settings. Use the Safe Boot checkbox and choose Minimal or Network for troubleshooting. Check the Make All Boot Settings Permanent option only if you are sure. Change the timeout value to 10 or 5 seconds to speed startup decisions. Click Apply, then OK, and restart to test changes in a controlled way. Revert any permanent options through msconfig if the result is not as expected. Open an elevated command prompt to run bcdedit for advanced edits. First, run bcdedit without parameters to list current boot entries and identifiers. Use bcdedit/set identifier description new name to rename entries safely. Change the timeout with bcdedit/timeout10 to set a 10-second boot menu wait. Create Windows 10 recovery media on a USB drive before attempting EFI or MBR repairs. Boot from the recovery USB and use startup repair or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.